This is just a quick video on how to link the new Fire Angel vibrating smoke alarms. The company have changed the software, which in turn has changed how they get set up. Right, so you just undo the little screw in there, pop off that. So when you plug it in, you thread it through there, and then you thread it through the bottom one there, and then it attaches to the first one here. It will only plug into one because they're different sizes. So that clips in, and that's in the first plug. Then you get the vibrating pad, plug it in through the base, in through there, and then plug it into the second one. There we go. Right, then you take these, you have a switch, so you switch it on, plug in to the unit. Right, then you press the test button there, the link button, sorry, and you'll see it flashing. Then you press the link button in there and you'll see that bit flashing, and you have to put the lid on within 15 seconds and close. Go to the next one, push the button, you'll see it flashing in there, put the lid on within 15 seconds. The beep beep lets you know that that's ready to sync, and this one should beep in a second. There you go. Now it will take roughly about 4 minutes to link in. It will then beep twice again, beep 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 beep, to let you know it's been synced. So now it's beeped again twice to say that it's linked in. So you just put that back on, insert the screw, and then the base plate. So now I can push the test button, vibrating pad, and it always takes a little while. So it always takes a little while the first time after you've synced it in. So now if I push this, thanks ever so much for watching the video. I hope it helps. See you soon.